Bonjour, mes amis. I am Jessie and I run a vlog and blog titled Cappuccinos and Consignment, where I focus on lifestyle, travel, and finance. And as I'd like to say, I am fluent in Fendi French and finance. On this channel, you will find, again, all things lifestyle, travel, and finance, weekly vlogs, videos of me fixing my Nespresso and preparing all kinds of caffeinated beverages. So without further ado, let's chat about some of the luxury items I feel like I wasted money on. I posted a blog about this maybe 2 years ago. I'll insert a photo. But yeah, the list has grown. So on the blog, I mentioned jewelry, costume jewelry, designer costume jewelry. It is a common misconception that when you buy these designer jewelry pieces that they are real. Yeah, they may be real Louis Vuitton or real Chanel, but they are actually a real waste of money because they're not real in the sense of precious metals. I have spent so much money on costume jewelry, and I always say that, oh, I'm never doing this again. And I do. I see something shiny and it strikes me and I buy it. And not to say that all designer jewelry is fake, it's the kind that most people are likely to buy. Case in point, Hermès click clack bracelet. I've had this for maybe 2 years now. The enamel has fallen off several times. I feel like the first two times I wore it, I had that issue. Brooches, Chanel, missing. I want to say pearls, but they're not pearls. The round ivory colored stones fell off. I took it back to Chanel and it's like, oh, well, that's wear and tear. So I would say invest in pieces in actual gold, actual silver, actual pearls, if that is something that you are interested in. But if not, just know that when you buy these things, they are not an investment. It is costume jewelry. The second luxury item I feel like I have wasted money on are small leather goods. I know like everyone is probably gasping or clutching their pearls. Yeah, because I have a lot of them, and having so many, I can say that I wasted money. And there's one in particular. It's right there. Right there. Yeah, that one. This piece, it is lovely. It is so lovely. I love looking at it. I love seeing it back there. Like when I take photos for Insta, follow me on Insta if you are not. I love looking at it. But cost per wear wise, and that's something that I always do, calculate how many times I wear it to associate with, is it worth it? I have worn this 2 times. It's lovely to look at, but how many pouches can I use? I have the Kirigami set. I have another pouch. I feel like I have a Fendi one. Just anyone who makes pouches, I buy them and they really aren't practical. And I feel like I did a review about that one being damaged. So I'll add that to the end of this video. Yeah, so I can honestly say that I wasted money with this one. Let's see. Next on my list, these. Again, one of those things that I love. I wrote a review. No, I feel like I recorded a review about these. I will link that as well. Just check out my whole like LV series. It's not, I don't know if it's not my style because I'm more of a pointy toe, but I can admit now that these were a waste of money because I have only worn these maybe 3 times. And part of the reason that I am so reluctant to wear these is because it's monogram. So if they scuff, it's not as simple as me being able to buff them out or shine them or do those things. So see, I scuffed it back there one day, and I think after doing that, like I just stopped wearing them. For the price, I could have bought another pair of designer shoes that weren't monogrammed and I would have felt more comfortable buying them. So yeah, I think I wasted money on these. Let's see what's next. This. This Gucci bag, when I saw it, I fell in love. I purchased it with the sole reason of transporting wine. When I was a master's of wine student, I envisioned myself like hosting these wine tastings and carrying my wine in this. I don't know if I want to say it was a waste of money. It's just not practical. And over on Instagram, I have actually considered selling this, asking Mez and me if I should. It's really not practical. Like trying to get, I stuff it with the shoebox to keep it shaped. To get in and out of this, there are absolutely no pockets inside. And I don't know, I'm just questioning, should I hold on to it? Again, it's fun to look at. I keep it right up there. But outside of that, like, what am I actually using this for? So, and last but not least, these Linda Fargo eyeglass chain. So I had these, and again, I am not bragging, please believe me. I had this prior to the eyeglass chain resurgence. I purchased these when we were in Toronto. I actually posted a Toronto vlog, so check that out whenever you can. And they were pretty pricey. I saw the Gucci ones and I really love those, but they were, I feel like they were just like a solid color and I wanted something with a little pizzazz. These are tortoise shell and I have another that are like marble. These were really pricey. Again, this was before they were all the rage. I wish I had waited and I could have just gotten a pair for about $10 or so, because I wore these, I feel like, up until everyone started wearing their chains. So I have these really pricey chains and I had to go look for them. I didn't even know where they were to record this video. So these are some of the luxury items I feel like I have wasted my money on. At the time, of course, I thought it was a good idea, but c'est la vie, mes amis. Please let me know if you have any luxury items in your closet that you think you wasted money on, or if you're considering buying something but you're questioning if it's a waste of money. I'd love to hear your comments below. Please remember to like, subscribe, all of that jazz. I have to remember to do that. Alrighty, ciao for now.